Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. See, I'm cleaning the saluyot. We call it saluyot Tagalog. In English, what I know is only green leafy vegetables. I don't know exactly in English. In Tagalog, this is we call it bolang lang. So, this is my tomato, onion, and long beans. Ito in Tagalog. This is my pumpkin, ladyfinger. I'll put a little bit shrimp to flavor the soup of the food. And this is the saluyot. I don't know in English here. While I'm boiling the water, I'll put all the vegetable. This is more healthy because it's vegetable and no oil. Just boiling the water for the soup. And then put all together the vegetable like this. Onion, tomato. After the onion, tomato, I'll put the pumpkin. Here's my pumpkin. This is more healthy, rich in vitamins, nutrients, minerals, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin high in fiber. While I'm boiling the soup in the pot, I need to clean the vegetables, the green leafy vegetables. I don't know in English what we call this saluyot in English. This mino in Bisaya we call it laoy, but in Tagalog we call it bolang lang. In English just call it mixed vegetable because it's different kind of vegetables. This is more healthy because no oil, just boiling water. Put all together the vegetable inside and I'll put shrimp to flavor the vegetable to have flavor the soup in my cooking. Just season it with salt, black pepper. See, this is more healthy, especially high in fiber, this vegetable, and also the okra, the ladyfinger in English, but okra in Tagalog, to control blood pressure and blood sugar. In antioxidant and good for digestive system and to boost immune system too. This is more healthy. You know, before I don't know how to cook, but because of my work I need to learn how to cook so that I can feed the kids that I'm taking care of. And it's good to have additional knowledge, you know. Some of the they don't know how to cook and they're not interested to learn. If you have more skills, you have so many opportunity. Any kind of work you can do. In your salary is more higher than the other that they don't have too much skills. Like me, I'm cooking, I do everything, the house chores. And my experience is long, but this time, it's hard to find work that giving you a high salary. they only offer you very small salary and they prepare a own visa. You know, since the war is because all the expat European family, they went home to their country. So many lose their job and so many people looking for a new job. And the employer will just offer a cheap salary. Even if your experience is more than 2 decades already. They just giving you small salary, you know. I'm thinking of start my own business instead of working on because you know, you do everything, the work in the house, and they just giving you my salary 10 years ago. That's the salary they offer to me. This my especially I finished caregiving in nursing assistant course. It's useless, you know, because I cannot use it. I try to in home care or in hospital. They're looking for someone has own visa. And they just offer small salary. You can rent house or a room to stay, and then your salary is very small. Transportation, food, personal there is no left in your salary. You spend it all. There is no useless. I spend money for studying, but I cannot use it. But I did not regret if I have additional knowledge. Maybe someday I can use that. But as of now, I'm just still praying and hoping to God that God will grant my prayer to have a financial freedom someday. Live a life, comfortable life when I retire. See, I'm just to clean this properly because it's dusty. The soil is sticking in the lips. Look at that. Anyway guys, just warning, if you like my video, don't forget to click my subscribe button and subscribe.